Imagine scenario for any new regulatory template change. Instead of investing months of effort in tracking the key changes and effort to develop those changes, unless it involves bringing in new data points with agentic AI, we can achieve with quick turnaround time. Based on change complexity A, I will have crucial triage point after the impact analysis. The agent's primary goal shifts from finish the task to accelerate the change journey. After the initial analysis, the agent's most important task is to assess the complexity of the required change. Steps 1 to 3, monitoring and ingestion. The horizon scanner agent detects the new rule. Interpretation and gap analysis. The interpreter agent understands the change. Proactive impact simulation. The analyst agent models the financial impact, e.g., LCR will drop by 2.5%. Step 3.5, the critical triage point. The system now asks, can this change be resolved using only the data and systems I already have access to? Based on the answer, it triggers one of two distinct paths. Path A, simple change, autonomous resolution. When the change involves modifying existing calculations, configurations, or engine logic within the current system, then aim to do end-to-end autonomous completion. Example, regulator increases the runoff factor for less stable deposits from 5% to 10%. Triage result, simple. The data, less stable deposits, and the logic, the LCR calculation, already exist. Only a configuration value needs to be changed. Agentic action, the system proceeds to step 4, autonomous adaptation. The developer agent drafts the new configuration, e.g., set factor equals 0.10, where deposit type equals less stable. Step 5, validation and audit. The auditor agent tests the change in a sandbox, validates the output against the simulation, and stages the full report and audit trail for a final human click to approve. Result, the change journey is 99% automated. Path B, complex change, accelerated human in the loop. The change requires new data sources, new data pipelines, complex cross-departmental logic, or human policy decisions. Restrict work to impact analysis and accelerate the human-led change journey. Change. Regulator introduces a new standardized approach for operational risk that requires a new business indicator component. Triage result, complex. The interpreter agent and analyst agent report that the BI component requires data, total interest margin, fee, income that needs additional enrichment currently not available in the risk data lake. Agentic action, the system stops autonomous adaptation and immediately escalates. It delivers a change acceleration package and creates change work item and assigns to product owner, which includes the impact report. The new standardized approach cannot be calculated. This will cause a complete failure in RWA reporting. The gap analysis. The required business indicator data points are missing. A draft project brief. To comply, we must build a new data pipeline from the general ledger and financial reporting systems to ingest enriched attributes. The developer agent has pre-drafted a new data model and an API schema to accelerate this build. Result, the months of initial analysis, interpretation, and project scoping are reduced to minutes. The human team doesn't start from scratch. They start with a complete, actionable plan.